xMatters greatly reduces the amount of time it takes to connect information about a service issue with the person responsible for it. But what happens if you don't know who is responsible for a service at the time of an incident? The xMatters Service Catalog allows you to target a service directly without having to hunt down who's responsible for it. Let me show you how. In the side navigation, click Services. The Service Catalog includes the following columns: Service, Owner, Active Incidents, Type and Tier. To sort the column, click on the column headers. To rearrange the columns, click and drag a column header to a new location. The tier column assigns a ranking system to a service based on importance. The different rankings are 1. Platinum, 2. Gold, 3. Silver, or 4. Bronze, or none. You can use filters to narrow down a specific list of services, find services owned by groups you supervise, services with a critical severity incident that a specific member is responsible for, or services with a particular severity level that belongs to a specific group. When you add a service to the list, you can easily search for it in the recipient selector when you initiate an incident or engage resolvers, or when you assign services to a group. To add a service, type a name for a new service in the name field, and then add an optional description. Select between technical or application as the type of service you want to add. Next, select the service tier. You can click the Owner field to select which group owns the service and click Save. You can use the search bar to find services that contain the search term in their name or description. If you start typing in the search bar, the page automatically updates the list to display items that contain the search term and highlights the portion of each item that matches the specified criteria. When an incident occurs that impacts the service, you can search for the service and add the owner group as a recipient. This allows you to send notifications without needing to know the name of the group that is responsible for each service at the time of the incident. To modify an existing service or to view its details, click the name of the service you want to view in the service list. On this page, you can edit the service to modify its details. If the service is currently impacted by any active incidents, click the link in the Active Incidents section to go directly to the incidents list and view the incidents. By default, the users that have permission to edit the service details are the user who created the service, the supervisor of the group who owns the service, the members of the group who owns the service, and company supervisors. To try the xMatters Service Catalog yourself, sign up for xMatters free at xmatters.com/free. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know down below in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, I hope you'll consider liking or subscribing. Have an awesome day.